इसमें like also talking about your frameworks when it comes to investing. तो आपके बहुत सक्सेस स्टोरीज पता है, आपके डीवी स्लैब की स्टोरीज बहुत पॉपुलर है, चॉइस इंटरनेशनल का काफी पॉपुलर है. बट बिफोर वी गेट इनटू द फ्रेमवर्क या कि कैसे असेस करते हैं स्टॉक, जस्ट वन क्विक क्वेश्चन कि व्हाट हैज बीन योर बेस्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट एंड वर्स्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट सो फार इन योर एंटायर करियर?
So there have been a lot of best investments and a lot of worst investment in that sense. And so I would say companies like Divi's, Siemens, JSPL in very early days, and off late companies like Trill, Choice. We have made number of investments who have been, like, if you may call it, multi-baggers, right? So we've made number of investments. We have made number of mistakes also. Like we lost a lot of money in companies like Jayaprakash Associate, even when I was working on all of this IVRCL type of companies, a lot of power companies. And even now, we keep making mistakes. That's part of life, right? You buy something, 100 out of 100 will never work. But as long as, see, there are only two things. As long as 60, 70 of them are working, and your bet is not very large in things which have not worked, but really large in things which have worked, that is the real difference. So that there is no problem in committing mistakes. It's what Bhaiya used to tell. You should commit a mistake which you can afford. And then in the stock market, you will survive.
राइट. सो इसमें बिगेस्ट सेटबैक और मे बी बिगेस्ट फेलियर जब आया था आपके लाइफ में, यू मेड अ लॉट ऑफ मनी बट स्टिल बाद में लाइक यू लॉस्ट मनी इन स्टॉक मार्केट्स. तो आफ्टर अचीविंग सक्सेस इन स्टॉक मार्केट्स तब माइंडसेट फिर कैसा होता है कि अगर स्टॉक प्राइस नीचे हो गए, पैसा खो दिया, तो हाउ डिड यू टैकल दैट सेटबैक? और
तो कुशल बहुत साइकोलॉजिकल बहुत प्रेशर होता है. बिकॉज जैसे कैसे किसी को कोई बचपन से अंधा है ना, तो उसको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती है. ही लर्न टू डील विथ लाइफ. पर किसी को आंख आने के बाद अंधा हो जाए ना, तो उसको बहुत प्रॉब्लम होती है. दैट्स हाउ इट इज विथ मनी, राइट? इफ यू डोंट हैव इट, देन देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम. देन यू लर्न टू डील विथ इट. बट इफ यू हैव लॉट ऑफ इट एंड देन यू लूज इट, तो प्रेशर तो होता ही है. आई वुड लाई टू यू इफ आई से प्रेशर नहीं होता है. बट द प्रेशर यूज्ड टू बी मच हायर, to be honest with you, before I got into Isha and before I got into these practices. But it is much lesser now. When now I know, we've learned to deal with it, and we know it is part of life, and we know that if we stick to this game, right, we will make it up again. So and mistakes का एक बहुत अच्छा चीज मैं आपको बोलता हूँ. Everyone is allowed to make mistakes. Even I am allowed to make mistakes. There is no problem at all. You should make a mistake which you can afford. And you should try not to repeat the same mistake again. If you don't repeat the same mistake again, then you commit new ones. There will not be many which you can commit after 25 years of experience.
Right. So I think, 2 points are very important. Never repeat your mistakes and commit a mistake which you can afford.
Absolutely.
That is very important. If you learned something new from this video, do share it with your friends and subscribe to this channel so that we can bring you the best content possible. Also, if you want to watch this entire episode, click on the link in the description box and you can go to Kushal Lodha YouTube channel and watch the entire podcast episode. Thank you so much for watching this and have an amazing day.